Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 16th May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for a short-term income trade. They are nothing but daily income trade and hourly income trade. And also at the end of the report, we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before that, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos can be accessible at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So from our channel, click on this community tab and then you can find this post. And this post is having a link that will take you to the playlist having all the training videos in an order. Just click on this link. I'm clicking on this link. Now we get into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. So you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel, or any other important updates also we will provide in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. So the first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for a daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. For daily income trade bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And also the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, the third row in this particular report. So here the bullish or bearish trade setup, because our entry time frame is 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes time frame, you need to select the value bullish. That means we are going to generate bullish report for daily income trade. Okay, now apart from this, I also would like to set 3 additional filters. The first filter is I don't want pierced zones. That means my pierced count should be 0. If pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. So we have a parameter called pierced count. Look into the last parameter in this page, pierced count. So what is our entry time frame? 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes time frame, you set the value of minimum value as 0 and also the maximum value as 0. That indicates pierced count should be 0. If the pierced count is 0, it is an indication that the zone is not pierced. You already learned pierced zones are not tradable zones. That's why we don't want pierced zones. So we set the pierced count as 0. The second parameter is zone achievement. For a tradable zone, the zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. That achievement should be there. Then only the zone can be tradable. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. For bullish or bearish trade setup, the minimum value should be 12. And these 3 filters will be applied to the entry zone, demand zone. Which time frame? 15 minutes. That means 15 minutes entry zone, these 3 filters will be applied. 15 minutes demand zone. Now let us filter the stocks. We have around 18 stocks are filtered. I will be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and then move on to the next report generation. You please pause the video and then you can study all these columns and parameters or any of your favorite stocks. Even you can also draw the zones in your charts by taking the timestamp from leg in column and leg out column. You have a leg out column, you have a leg in, and also the number of base candles between leg in and leg out. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report, please complete our training lesson, lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, I have explained each and every column in detail. Their short names, abbreviations, the values, each and everything I explained. I have also explained by taking this leg in timestamp, base candle count and how we can draw the zone in trading view, that is also explained in that video. So let me scroll down. So these are the total 18 stocks currently supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let me generate bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So I am going back. So daily income trade entry time frame is 15 minutes, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup at 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And whatever the three filters we set earlier, they remain same, but this time the three filters are applied to the supply zone, 15 minute supply zone, because entry zone is supply zone. Now let me filter the stocks. 4 stocks are filtered. That means these 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let me generate bullish and bearish trade setups for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame should be 5 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time in 5 minutes time frame, we are selecting the value bullish, and the 3 filters also we want to add. The first filter, the zone should not be pierced. That means pierced count should be 0. But which time frame? 5 minutes time frame. So in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting minimum value as 0 and maximum value as 0, indicates zone pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. And the zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. So with these filters, let us generate the report. So this is the hourly income trade bullish trade setup. Now let me scroll down. So total 19 stocks are filtered. These 19 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now let me go back and generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes, but entry zone should be changed to supply zone because it is bearish trade setup. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, at 5 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. And the three filters remain same, but this time the filters are applied to 5 minute supply zone. Now let me generate the report. So 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. In the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR I am generating. So this is the stop buffers. This is the column daily ATR, and 5% ATR you have to use it for daily income trade. 3% ATR you have to use it for hourly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they have taken from F&O category. So I am scrolling this list down. Each time I scroll down, I will be giving you only few seconds time. If any of the stock you want to refer, please pause the video. Okay, I am scrolling this list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.